All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Boy, do I have a special one for you today. This is the brand new Oukitel WP33 Pro. Now, just to reference this phone before I open this box, I kind of gave a sneak peek to some people offline the other night, but this phone is different, folks. And it's different in a good way. So without further ado, this has a 22,000 milliamp hour battery inside, 18 watt reverse charging, 136 decimal speaker, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, 64 megapixel camera, and a 20 megapixel night vision. Look at this beauty. In the box, it's just a charging cable and things like that. So we're going to put that aside quickly. Look at this beauty. 136 decimal speaker. This has a built-in hand strap for the people that might have the smaller hands. And it has like a leather. It's like, I don't know if it's faux leather, but it's got like a suede insert on the inside, and on the outside, it's kind of like leather. So it might be full leather. And you get this chain, this loop here, so you can put it on your belt hoop or your backpack or whatever you want to do. This is one of the best looking rugged phones I've gotten in quite some time. In the front, I might add, is a 32 megapixel camera. So you got your volume rockers here, your power button, which more than likely doubles as a fingerprint reader. You got your SIM tray and SD card slot. It takes eSIM. Rugged phones are getting better. So you got 2 SIM card slots and it does eSIM. This is the first, and the slot is up here, and this is your smart key right here. I've never seen a rugged phone that I've gotten in from a lot of these companies with eSIM. The game is changing, folks. You look around the side here, again, volume rockers, metal buttons and everything. It's always metal buttons. And you've got this built like a freaking tank. You got the corner protection. You got your smart key. And again, you got that nice lanyard built in. This is so sweet. And then you got your type C down here and everything. Again, this is a rugged waterproof phone and everything. So you got your type C. This is crazy, folks. This is a beautiful, beautiful. It's getting better, man. The game is getting real tight and people are not able to keep up most times. We're going to see how this works out. So let's give it a power on. You can see the speaker back here. You got your camera modules. Oh, man. I was waiting to show you guys this one, man. This one is crazy. I really like this a lot. We're going to give it a detailed walkthrough. Not too detailed, but detailed enough. Because really, the software is going to be the Oukitel software. You know that it's going to be pretty solid because it's stock Android. But let's go ahead and look. I love the fact that I can pop my hand in here. That speaker is loud. This is me powering off, just hitting the power button. Wow. On video, that's probably not that loud. Let me do it again up against the mic. That is loud, folks. That is loud. Let's skip this. You can download the eSIM. I haven't seen very many of these rugged phones that I get in with eSIM compatibility. I swear. No, I don't swear. Let's get my Wi-Fi in here. Okay, so guys, I decided to go ahead and just go through the setup. I don't want to bore you with it. But we are in this. You get to see the official startup of the device. You can see everything popped up right there. That's pretty cool. So this is the software. This is a stock Android device. And this is how this one is coming to you. So let's go ahead and long press here. We'll get into the settings here. Let's go to drawer those so we can have the swipe up basically. And then we go back. So now we'll be able to swipe up like that. Now let's swipe down and go ahead and see if we can find dark mode on here. Dark theme. There we go. And you can take a look at the drawer here. I mean, wow. I'm definitely getting ready to test this speaker out. So yeah, we got our dark mode now. Let's go into settings real quick. This is what the settings looks like. So you've got all your things. Let me go to battery real quick because I think the battery is inside of the Yeah, that's kind of corny. Now you got a full battery. This one came at 97%. Some of these have been coming kind of low, and they take a little bit of time to charge up if they don't have fast charging. But let's go to storage. 256 gigs of storage as advertised. And you know what? The system only takes up 6 gigs. Yeah, that's crazy. So we'll go ahead and go into, let me see if I can find a toolbox first, just in case they have something just for the sound. Because I do want to show you this speaker. Here's the tool bag. And you've got compass, sound meter. You got a sound meter on here. Oh, you got a decimal meter right here. Okay. No! You see how it's going between common, indoor, noisy, and quiet. Let's go all the way down to quiet. Let's just get quiet for a second. Pretty accurate. I like that. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Whoa. Yeah, it's pretty good. Harmful. All right. So you got a decimal sound meter on here. I really like that. You got your magnifier, your pick hanger. Those are handy right there. You got your projector. Ooh, I love it. Let's go back into us. Tool bag. I said projector. I mean protractor. That's a projector. You got your alarm bell, plumbing bob, mirror. This is crazy. Okay, so let's get into. I want to go into the sounds here. I did not say projector. It's protractor. I graduated high school and college a long time ago, so I'm allowed to slip like that. Let's go to sounds. Nope, there's no excuse, John. Let's go to phone ring. It's set to none. Oh. I can tell you this phone is freaking loud, man. Wow. As advertised, you do get 136 decibels. I can guarantee you that thing is freaking loud. Wow. That was one of the main things I wanted to check out the speaker. It is loud. Wow. That is good. Oh, you got sound enhancements down here. Yeah, you got best loudness. The speaker gets very loud. It's boosted, and then you got hi-fi mode. So that's pretty good. So if you're listening to media or something like that, it should be really, really loud. But the phone is more than just a loud speaker. You've got all these other things in here that you can adjust. You got screen. Look at this. These rugged phones, I mean, it's stock Android, so they're getting a lot of the features. A lot of times they don't get a lot of the features from the previous generations, but prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. That's pretty, I mean, the rugged phone game has come a long way. It really has. Let's go screen display here. Bold text. Yeah, let's put it back here. Get the normal size. All right, man. Wow, there's a lot to dig in here. Very impressive. Let's check out you got lift wake. I'm just kind of free flowing through here. Wallpapers and styles. Look at this. You actually get the themed icons. You get everything. Wow. Let's go to wallpapers and see what they got on device. Looks like they just got the one on the device. Wallpapers, let's see here. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at this. They got some nice ones on here. Look at this, man. Let's go to this one right here. Nah, I'm not feeling that. Nah, I'm not feeling that. That one's cool. Okay. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, I think this one right here that is set to, I guess it's just the default, so I got used to it, but you do have the themed icons and everything, man. So look at this. Everything is themed. That's rare when it's on some of these devices, man. Some of these devices, it doesn't theme everything. So it's rare that you actually get to theme it, man. That is crazy. All right, so let's go into, let's go back in here and I'm gonna turn off the theme. All right, let's go to camera. Now you've got picture, you've got macro mode. That's what that is. You got video. Let's go into video settings and see what the video settings are looking like. Video quality is going to probably be highest at 2K. Yeah, highest is 2K you can do. You got your grid lines. Yeah, that's about what I expected, man. Then you got more here real quick. So you got Pro Mode, GIF, Mono, and QR scanner. Pro Mode, obviously. Wow, they're doing the most, man. You got your smart lens. This is basically just Google Lens. These phones have come a long way. Got your night vision. Okay. So a pretty basic camera, but basic enough to where it's actually good. Let's take a photo right here. Let's see if we can get a good clean shot of this. Processing time was fairly fast. Good detail. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I'll do more testing, I guess. Camera's nice. Software seems solid. And what more could you ask for? I tell you what, though, of all this, getting this device unboxed and showing you the hardware and everything and the speaker, I'm not a fan of that clock widget. Wow, that is hideous. Gonna have to put a launcher on here if I want the 5 across. Yeah, let me show you another one here. Here's my Oukitel watch, and I've got it paired to this beauty right here. This is the WP19, I believe it is. I got some. Yeah, this is WP19 Pro. These phones are very nice, but here it is. They got the same design style cue. You know what I mean? You got the red ring around it. You got the signature red ring here. You got your red button here, and you got the little gray button on this one. I mean, ultimately, you have a similar performing device and style. The thickness is about the same, but this one sure is beautiful, man. It is beautiful. I'm gonna pair my Oukitel watch with this phone because I'm gonna be using that one for a little bit now. And wow, I'm excited to show you this thing, man. This thing is really nice, and I mean, really, it's a rugged phone with a little bit of added flair. Ultimately, that's what it is. Adding this right here, and this is metal, so you can unscrew these. These are metal screws. You can literally unscrew this and remove this if you want to. But I think it brings to the device. And I thought this would be annoying, but it's really not. It's not annoying at all, man, because I have lots of use case scenarios, and this is a strong strap right here too. So this is a good one, folks. I can't front. It is really not. And this speaker is loud, very, very loud. So interesting that they chose to do this design, but at least you can remove it. So you take these two screws off, pop this off, put the tabs back on there. I would say to keep it looking a little bit more uniform than having the open screw holes. But yeah, man, you'll always be able to have this phone in your hand and you won't drop it. Let's check that brightness. Brightness is very nice and bright. Yeah, I like it, man. So I want to give you a first look and sneak peek at this beautiful device right here. This is the Oukitel WP, so many of them, the WP33 Pro, man. This is a beautiful device. See you guys in the next video. Take care.